Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a chocolate chip banana bread. Alright, we are gonna start off by mashing 3 bananas. I'm gonna use a potato masher because I find it easier, but if you want, you can always just use a fork. Now we are gonna add 1 egg. And then lastly, to the wet ingredients, we're gonna add a 1/2 cup of mayo. Now we're gonna give this a good mix until all the ingredients are incorporated. Just like that. And now we're gonna move on to the dry ingredients. To the dry ingredients, we are gonna add 1.5 cups of flour. Now we're gonna add a 3/4 cup of sugar. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now we're gonna give this a good mix. And now we are gonna add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. And then we're just gonna fold it in until it's fully combined. Just make sure to not over mix. And now we're gonna add the mixture into a pre-greased loaf pan. And then make sure to get all of it out. Now add a 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. I'm using a dairy-free one from Trader Joe's. I'm only gonna add my chocolate chips to 1/2 of it, so then I can have the other 1/2 just plain. Now I'm just gonna add a single chocolate chip to the chocolate side so I know which side is which. And now we're gonna bake it in the oven at 350 for about 65 to 70 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Alright, so I have about 20 more minutes to cook in the oven, but I'm gonna put some foil on top so it doesn't get any more brown. All right, now we're gonna take it out of the loaf pan and we're gonna put it on a rack and let it cool completely before we cut into it. All right, now that it's done cooling, we're gonna cut the bread into slices. Now you have a delicious, moist chocolate banana bread. Look at that. Enjoy!